Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G100, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. Firstly, open Play Store. After that, click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Now click on this app over here and download it. After that, choose Open. From this app you can find out all the information about your Motorola's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!